Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. So if you're one of those that participated in the dogs airdrop, now is the time for you to move your allocated tokens to an exchange because dogs will be listing on Tuesday, August 20th, 2024. So this video is going to be showing you the step-by-step guide on how to move your tokens. First off, you need to open up your Telegram app and then open up your dogs account, right? So this account has about 16,717 dogs, and what we need to do now is tap on deposit to exchange and then ensure that exchanges is highlighted, and then you tap on continue. Okay, so you'll be presented with three options: OKX, Bybit, and BitGet. It's advisable to use Bybit or BitGet if you're in Nigeria because OKX will be leaving Nigeria. All right, so for this video we'll be going with the Bybit option and then we tap on send here. So it's asking if we do have a Bybit account. If you do not have a Bybit account, ensure to go to your Play Store or your App Store and download the Bybit app, and then you register. Once you've done registration, then you come over and tap on yes, I have it. Okay, so once you tap on yes, I have it, you're required to fill in these details: the Bybit UID, the dog's deposit address, and the memo. So what we need to do now is to head over to our Bybit exchange app. Okay, so this is opening up. All right, so this is the Bybit exchange app, and first off we need the UID. So you tap on your profile icon at the top left. Okay, so we're waiting for this to open up. Let's cancel this. All right, so this is the profile section, and then the UID, you can see it there, and then there are two boxes right beside the UID. That's like the copy icon. Once you tap on it, it will be copied. You head back to your Telegram and then you paste the UID. You head back to your Bybit and then you get your deposit address, dog's deposit address. And how do you get this? Just tap on deposit that you can see here, deposit/buy with fiat/P2P. Once you tap on it, at the bottom you see deposit crypto. Tap on it and then you search for dogs. Okay, once you search for dogs, it should come up. You tap on it. Once you tap on it, you select ton. You're starting to choose a chain type, so you just tap on ton, and then okay, you just say okay, just tap on okay. So you can see your address and then you can see a tag, right? So this tag is your memo, but first off, let's copy the address. So those two small boxes is your copy icon. Just tap on it and head back to Telegram and paste your dog address. Then you head back to your Bybit and then you tap on those two small boxes beside the tag. Okay, you have tag, you have a number, and then by the side you have the two small boxes. That's the copy icon. Tap on it and then head back to your Telegram and then you paste the memo. So the memo is the tag. Okay, all right, so you paste it. So once you've done this, you just tap on send. All right, so it's telling you to confirm these details. You can head back to just to verify, to show that the numbers are correct. So this tag, we can see the numbers here just to be sure that they're the same. Okay, this is just to have like a form of quality control, just to be sure, because once you get this wrong, you're not going to get your token. So you need to be sure that everything is in order. Okay, so let me just quickly check the UID to be sure that it's also in order. Okay, it's in order. All right, so you can just tap on then you tap on I confirm. Okay, so deposit is in progress now. Be ready for listing on August 20th. Woof! Great, guys. So this is how to move your tokens to the Bybit exchange. Also, I need you guys to ensure that your Bybit is verified. Okay, so ensure that you have your account verified, because you never know, you may not be able to have your tokens withdrawn, or you may be restricted due to the fact that you don't even have any form of verification. As you can see, this account has level 1 verified. At least do the basic verification so that you just be on the safe side. I hope you found this video helpful, guys. If you do have any questions, do make a comment in the comment section, and rest assured that a team member will answer your question. Thank you for watching, guys. And also, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, do support us by buying our educational token WikiCat built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description beneath. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.